Hi, welcome to Language Talk. This is most commonly used questions in IELTS and TOEFL. If this video helps you learn well, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new lesson. The first important question is, what do you do? What do you do? This question asks, what is your job or profession? We can reply this way. If you are a student, you can say, I'm a student. Or, I work in a factory. Or you can say, I'm unemployed. I'm unemployed at the moment. Or you can say, I run my own business. Okay, there are some tips here you must learn. For example, I'm unemployed means I'm jobless. I don't have a job. This means jobless. Or I run my own company or my own business means run here means to manage or operate my own company. Okay, let's repeat. I'm a student. Please repeat after me. I'm a student. I work in a factory. Or you can say, I work in a bank. Or I'm unemployed at the moment. At the moment means nowadays. Nowadays or these days. Okay, I hope you learned well. Practice this video several times. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Or if you want to be the first person who enjoys our lessons, hit the bell icon. Thanks for joining us.